Good morning, you guys. So I'm still up visiting my parents in my hometown in northern British Columbia. And honestly, it is so peaceful here that I just do not want to go back to the city. I feel like I am so ready for a house and a garden and squirrels of my own. But I did want us to spend the day together today. So I thought I would film my wellness focused morning. And then my mom and I are going to be doing an amazing hair art today with her orchids. So it's going to be a very special one. So I'm going to film a bit of that. And then my mom has been making me the most delicious home-cooked meals. I feel so spoiled, you guys. So I thought I would share with you what I'm eating today. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know how important having a morning routine is for me. I feel like a morning routine is one of the best things I've done for my mental health. And since I've been away from home, I've kind of gotten out of my routine, but I do like to spend at least 10 to 20 minutes in the morning just outside in the garden, getting some sunlight in my eyes, feeding the squirrels, and just kind of centering and grounding myself. I feel like that really sets me up to have a good day. So let's go outside and see if Trello is there. Oh, hello. Hello, Trello. Do you want your morning peanut? What you doing, Trello? Oh. Hello. Just a little pre-workout snack. So I just got changed into my workout clothes. But before we get into the morning workout, I just want to give a quick thank you to Seed for sponsoring today's video. Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic is a probiotic and prebiotic that's been formulated with 24 clinically and scientifically studied strains that benefit full body health, including your gut, your skin, your heart, and more. So I'm going to take 2 of these right now. You want to take these on an empty stomach, so I'd like to do it first thing in the morning before I eat breakfast, about an hour before I eat breakfast. Not all probiotics on the market are created equal, and this is the reason why I like to use Seed, is because their DSO1 has a 100% survivability rate. And most probiotics die during digestion because they have to fight with stomach acids and digestive enzymes and bile salts, but Seed stays viable. Their patented capsule and capsule ViaCap technology ensures bacteria survive through digestion and makes it to your colon, and the prebiotic outer capsule serves as a barrier to oxygen, moisture, and heat. And it doesn't require any refrigeration, which I really appreciate. And they do also give you a little travel vial when you order the DSO1, which I really love, because then I can just make sure that I'm able to take it every single day, no matter where I am. And one of the reasons I take Seed is to help support and maintain healthy, glowing skin. I know firsthand how important a healthy gut is for healthy skin. So it's kind of part of my daily skincare routine in a way. And I also like to take it to help support and balance my immune system because, especially this time of year, I just want to keep my immune system strong so I don't get sick. So you can get 25% off Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic by using the coupon code HOLISTIC25. So I will link that down below in my description box and you can go check them out. But I'm going to go have my morning workout. Today I'm going to be working out my core because I have just been really slacking on workouts lately. So let's go do a little ab workout and get in shape. So before I jump into the shower and get ready for the day, I'm just going to do some red light therapy and use the massage gun to help me recover after my workout. Mom has made this delicious sweet potato quiche. This is a gluten-free crustless quiche. It is probably my favorite breakfast ever. If you guys want the recipe video for it, I can release that, so just let me know. Today we have a very special hair art because we're gonna be using my mom's beautiful magenta orchids.
We're not sacrificing these blooms because this has been in bloom for just over 5 months. And 2 days ago, they started dropping their blossoms. There were 12 and now we're down to 10. So we want to capture their beauty in art. I need you guys to wish me luck today because I'm not sure how I'm going to plan out this hair art. But with Sarah as my beautiful subject and these as my beautiful flowers, I'm sure I'll figure something out.
And this is the dress I'm gonna use, and it matches the orchids perfectly. Thank you for another hair art, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Now I'm going to go press these and hopefully we can create something else with them.
And they will live on forever. And this is all that's left of the orchid, you guys. Kind of sad. It smells good. Mom's making bone broth for lunch.
Yep.
So you save the chicken bones from when you have chicken wings.
Yeah, it's got the bones in it, carrots, onion, celery, and then I put celery seed and celery salt in it, and then a whole bunch of herbs from the garden. Plus I put astragalus in it because
So yeah, she puts astragalus root. This is really good for the immune system.
for lunch what I've made is egg drop soup that I've used some of the bone broth. I put carrots, mushrooms, peas, parsley, and onions from out in the garden, and then just some egg with it. So
Yummy.
It's full of protein.
Bone broth is really good for your skin and your gut health because it's rich in collagen. It's good for the immune system. And my mom usually will top it with avocados, but we didn't have any today, unfortunately. But this looks so good. All right, guys, so I want to show you this beet drink that my mom's been making me. It's kind of like the cozier version of beet juice, but it's really rich in nutrients, and I'm going to show you how I make it. So all you'll need is some organic beetroot powder. Beets are really anti-inflammatory, they're rich in antioxidants, and they're rich in silica, so they're really good for your skin, they're good for your heart health. And then you need some goji berries, and goji berries are rich in antioxidants, really good for the skin, lots of health benefits as well. And then some red jube dates. First, you're gonna take 2 spoonfuls like that of the beetroot powder. And this is a Muddy Marsh cup. Our neighbor makes beautiful handmade pottery, so I love using her cups. And then we're just gonna fill this with some water, blend that up. And then I take a few of the dates and a few goji berries. Fill that up with some more water. And the dates and goji berries will hydrate and get nice and chewy and delicious. It's surprisingly so good. Hi. Hello. I'm so sorry I don't have any food right now, but I'll get you something. Okay, I'm back. You want to come here? Look, I got a big one for you. So all these pine cones along the path, Trello the squirrel has been dumping down from these trees up there, all the pine trees. So she throws them down off the trees and then she collects them and puts them in her burrow for the winter. This was the original burrow.
Yeah. And that goes way under, like you can stick your arm under there and it's like a cave in there. And then what she's done is she has created another entryway. And look at, you can see down in there.
She's been working hard.
You can see the pine cones in there.
Oh, wow.
So in the winter time, that's where she'll hide out, and then she's got lots of food.
You can see all the peanuts she's hiding down there. Look at all these blueberries. We got 2 big bowls of blueberries. We got some huckleberries, a strawberry. There's lots of strawberries coming up here. The big one back there. I'm gonna give that one another day. But I'm gonna have an antioxidant rich snack right now. Some berries. Let's see if Mr. Toad is in here. Oh, he's there. Oh, I'm sorry to disturb you. Look how beautiful and cute and perfect these dahlias are. These beautiful purple dahlias. Look how stunning that is. And look over here. This one is so gorgeous. I think dahlias might be my favorite flower, you guys. Look at this huge zucchini that our neighbor, Mr. Ventura, grew in his garden and kindly gifted to us. So we are gonna make dinner with this tonight, and we're gonna use some of these herbs from my mom's herb garden. She has herbs there. She has herbs over here. She has herbs over there.
And I have herbs up on the middle level.
Yes, and then she has herbs up there. And she has herbs up here as well.
And over here.
And over here. Wow.
Everywhere.
Never-ending herbs. All right, you guys, I am back in the kitchen with my mom. But today we're gonna get a little bit competitive and we're gonna have a cook-off because we have this big, beautiful zucchini. My mom wanted to make it Mexican and I wanted to make it Italian.
So we decided to have a cook-off and see whose version is, well, not better, but
yeah, better.
We just wanted to see what the outcome would be. So Ken is out for a bike ride.
My dad.
My husband. Yeah, he goes for a long bike ride every day. So while he's out riding his bike, we're gonna cook up a storm. And when he comes home, he will be our tester. And he will decide which version he likes better. It's kind of not fair because I know what Ken likes and I know he likes Mexican.
For mine, we have some ground beef for the protein. We have mushrooms, onions, marinara sauce. And then for herbs, I put some basil, some oregano, and a little bit of parsley from my mom's garden.
So for my version, I have used ground beef, sauteed onions, some sweet corn, kidney beans, and some diced orange pepper. Then instead of using like a pasta sauce, I put salsa in mine. And from the garden, I used parsley, cilantro, and yeah, that's it from the garden.
Let's get stuffing our zucchini boats. So now I'm gonna cut this. Just gonna chop off the end like that.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
See, my mom didn't believe in me. How perfect is that? Now we are gonna just take a spoon and scoop out the insides. I guess I can kind of go like this.
Yeah. And then save that because I can use that in soup. Spill it. Oops, whoops. I think what we'll do, ramekin there. See, yours it wants to rock that way, so turn yours the other way. Very good.
All right, here our stuffed zucchinis are. All right, kiddos, let's see what we have. So we baked this for 40 minutes. Wow. Stunning.
Looks yummy.
All right, right, so I'm gonna top mine with some grana padano. Hopefully
Hey,
I'm
that's
pronouncing-
mine. That's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Take two. I'm gonna top mine with some grana padano. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this also has Parmesan cheese.
Yeah. And now mine has the Monterey Jack with jalapenos. We'll put that in for about 10 minutes.
Oh, yum. All right, so Dad is home.
So the thing is that Sarah cooked one and I cooked the other.
Okay, and I have to.
Well, you're just going to taste them and
Okay,
tell us which
yeah.
one you like better.
All right. Wow.
Put this one on one side of your dish
Okay.
and this one on the other side.
Wow.
And now we will actually go out in the backyard where
Okay.
You will do your taste test.
Let it cool down a bit. Okay, this one first. I'll try.
What flavors do you taste?
Zucchini. Now, I'll try this one. Ooh. Hot.
which one do you like better?
I think this one with the beans
That's
has a
a-
bit more flavor.
Mom knew that you were gonna like that one better.
Because you always pick Mexican.
Oh. So this is Buongiorno,
Yes.
Italian, and this is Arriba. Arriba.
Hola.
Mexican.
Hola.
Hola. Very good. They're both good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so that was the taste test. Dad picked the Mexican. Mom knows him very well. And I guess we can end the video here. And remember, you can get 25% off Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic by using the coupon code HOLISTIC25 for 25% off. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love you so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.